Ready to find out what makes the falcon the Usain Bolt of the bird world? Let's go. Meet the peregrine falcon. This bird isn't just fast, it's insanely fast. When it dives, it can hit speeds over 240 miles per hour. That's faster than a sports car on a highway. But how do they do it? It's all about design. Falcons have long, pointed wings that slice through the air. Their bodies are super aerodynamic like tiny fighter jets. And those sharp, keen eyes? They can spot prey from miles away. But wait, there's more. Falcons can tuck in their wings and reduce drag, turning into feathered missiles. Their special breathing system keeps them oxygenated even at high speeds. So the next time you see a falcon, remember, you're looking at nature's ultimate speed machine. Pretty cool, right? Hit that like button if you're amazed by the falcon's speed, and don't forget to subscribe for more bird facts. See ya!